So what do we do when we know we have hate within us? So about this topic, I remember very clearly the teacher Thich Nhat Hanh, he had shared before about fear. We have fear, but we also have no fear within us. And I think that also applies to any emotions that we can have, hate, happiness, sadness. So when we have hate, that's okay, because we also have no hate within us. And the most important thing I believe is when we notice we have hate that is arising, what do we want to do with it? And that is signaling our own consciousness. I think the main problem is if we have hate and we're not aware, and that means that we don't have the power to choose. And the power of awareness is that it's always present. Like the mirror that I said before, the mirror, our own mirror, always have the ability to reflect ourselves if we allow ourselves to wipe off the dust. So the awareness is always present, always there, all powerful. When we notice we have hate, we also have the choice to choose. We can transcend it to love, we can transcend it to peace, but we cannot do that unless we know that it's there. Many things that we see as problem escalate is because we are not conscious, because we do not know. We do not know. It is not because we are unable to know. It is because there are many things that obscure us. So the first step is to, through meditation, through mindfulness practice, it helps us to wipe off the dust so that we can see clearly of all the good things that we give meaning to, or all the unpleasant things that we give meaning to, and then we can see it clearly. When we can see it clearly from a different perspective, from a separation, to give ourselves some space to really look deeply into whatever it may be, then we can really choose what we want our actions to be. It's about our thoughts, our speech, our actions, because that's what we communicate with one another, through our actions, through our thoughts, and through how we communicate verbally. So when we notice the hate that is arising, then once we notice it, we definitely have the power to choose. And let's practice that. Thank you.